Hi, folks. Dennis Prussman, Missouri land specialist with United Country Property Solutions in St. Joseph, Missouri. If you like CRP farms and you like long-term contracts, you might want to check out this farm. I'm in Nodaway County, Missouri. I've got 80 acres for you, almost 70 of which are enrolled in CRP. It's not very often we see a farm that's so highly tillable and it's got good soils on it, and most of it's enrolled in CRP. Additionally, it's got almost 8 acres that are in food plots. I had the drone up in the air back here to the southwest corner. I did kick up a couple of deer, so I know the hunting opportunity is here as well. But here's the great thing. This farm was just seeded last year in 2017, and the contract runs through 2027. So it's got a very strong payment for the Nodaway County area. You're not going to find cedar trees. You're not going to find thorny bushes. It's good, clean, newly sowed CRP. It's ready for a new owner just to take over, maintain the CRP, maintain the farm, and collect the payment until 2027. You're not going to find another one like it, I don't think. So check it out. I'll upload all the information to my website. That's landbydennis.com. Or if you have questions, you're sure welcome to give me a call at 816-262-6178. Thanks for watching the video, and you guys have a great day.